Hello，大家好，欢迎回到我的频道。在上一个视频中，我们讨论了如何使用幽默来打破僵局。今天呢，我们会重点讨论如何在工作中使用幽默来化解一些尴尬的局面。我们都经历过这样的时刻，比如说在做 presentation 的时候犯错误，或者是冷场。但是呢，别担心，使用幽默可以帮助你轻松的化解这样的情况。那么怎么使用呢？好了，话不多说，让我们开始吧。Let's start with the classic awkward moment. Imagine you're giving a presentation and suddenly you forget some key information, or you mess up the numbers, or you just forget what is the next step.So instead of panicking, humor can be your savior. 你可以说刚才的错误是为了考验大家的注意力，恭喜你们通过了测试。Which means, that mistake was just a test to say if you are paying attention. Congratulations, you passed.So, this playful humor engages your audience and turns the mistake into a fun test, right? And making everyone laugh and allowing you to correct the mistake easily. Another common awkward moment is that when you ask a question in a presentation or in a meeting, get total silence.That can feel a little awkward, right? Trust me, as an English learner, it happened to me many times. But in this kind of situation, humor can save the day here. 在这种情况下，你可以说，可能我刚才说的是另一种语言，要不我再试一次。It means, maybe I just spoke another language. Let me try it again.So this kind of lighthearted humor shows that you are aware of this awkward silence, right? And then you can joke about your own language skill, and it puts everyone at ease. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously, right? Now, what if you're in a meeting and you get distracted? Only to realize that your boss, your manager,has just asked you a question. So in this kind of situation, instead of panicking, humor can be your best friend. So 在这种情况下，你可以说，对不起，我刚刚在脑海中构思一个完美的回答，让我现在把它分享出来吧。It means, sorry, I was just formulating the perfect answer in my head.So let me share with you guys now. So this type of humor admits that you're distracted, right? But also shows that you're willing to engage and answer the question. The next situation really resonated with me. So imagine you are explaining a concept or an idea in a meeting,But halfway through, you realize that nobody really understands what you are saying. So instead of awkwardly repeating yourself, here's the humorous way to handle it. 在这种情况下，你可以说，看来我的中文还不够好，你们一定都在想，这个家伙到底在说什么？ It means,It looks like my Chinese is not good enough yet. You're all probably thinking, what the hell is this guy talking about? So this kind of humor lightens the mood and shows that you're aware of your language barrier, right? It's a fun way to acknowledge the situation while giving everyone permission to laugh and relax.So speaking of this, I'm telling you guys, foreign language anxiety is a real thing. Honestly, up to today, I still get very nervous when I speak English. My heart is racing and I sweat a lot. So I definitely can't imagine how hard it is for you to speak Chinese, especially in work environment. It's more serious situation, right? So that's one of the reasons that I started this channel. Hopefully it will be helpful even a little bit to you guys. You must have encountered the following situation. It happens to the best of us. You accidentally interrupt a coworker or your boss while they're speaking. It can feel awkward, right? People may think you're rude, but humor can smooth things over. 在这种情况下，你可以说：“哎呀，看来我的嘴巴比我的耳朵反应快了一步。对不起，请继续。” It means, oops, looks like my mouth is faster than my ears. I'm so sorry. Please go ahead. So this kind of humor helps you acknowledge your mistake while also showing respect for the other person's point of view, right? Now, imagine this. You're in the middle of a very important meeting and your phone suddenly rings. It can be a very embarrassing moment, right? But using humor can lighten the situation. 在这种情况下，你可以说：“看起来我的手机也想参加今天的会议，他可能有一些重要的建议要提哦。” Which means, it looks like my phone wants to join today's meeting too. It might have some important suggestions. 对不起。So this shows that you're aware of the mistake, but by making light of the situation, you put everyone at ease and allow the meeting to continue smoothly. Another classic awkward moment is when you accidentally call someone by the wrong name in the office or in a meeting. I mean, I'm not good at remember people's name. Honestly, it happened to me many times. But instead of stumbling over apologies, so humor can save the situation. 在这种情况下，你可以说：“对不起啊，看来我需要再喝一杯咖啡来唤醒我的记忆。” Which means I'm so sorry. It looks like I need another cup of coffee to wake up my memory. So this kind of humor, allows you to quickly apologize and move on, right? Without making the mistake feel like a big deal, right? So this is just one of the ways to deal with this kind of situation. Do you have any other better suggestions? Just leave a comment down below and let me know. So guys, as you can see, humor is a very powerful tool for navigating awkward situations at work, right? So whether it's recovering from a mistake or breaking the silence, a bit of humor can turn an uncomfortable situation into a positive one, right? Have you ever used any humors to diffuse an awkward situation at work? So share your stories in the comment below. I would love to hear them. Alright guys, this is all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned on the future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.